Hello students, a warm welcome to you all. Welcome to the online lecture series of the SDSM College Palghar in the Agriculture Science and Technology. I'm Vilas sir, and today we are going to deliver the new topic regarding the same chapter, weed management. So let's start. In today's session, we will discuss about the dispersal of weeds. In that, we'll cover the points from the subtopics. Effect of weed. In that, we'll discuss about the harmful effect of weeds and the beneficial effects of weeds. Talking about the weed dispersal is simply the transporting of weeds seeds from one place to another through the several means or the agents. When we see an agent of weed dispersal, it is generally assumed of anything that takes the seed of plant or the crops from one destination to the another destination. So the propagation is found in everywhere, and these dispersal agents of weeds is not limited to one, or it can be assumed the various types of weed dispersal. It is depending on the angle of various level. The weeds are mainly dispersed by the wind, by animal, or the explosion of fruit or man-made activity. So there may be a various methods of spreading of weeds. So we cannot predict that the weed can be come with the one agent. Let's see the dispersal of weeds by wind. Many winds of the seeds are lightweighted, so the special structural modification are found like a parachute, wing like chaffy, then silk hairs like, or the balloons, etc. are the seeds are spread, due to which they disperse at the long distance. For example, the plant of rui, jakham jodi, then arjimon mexicana, milkweed, and ground cherry. Let's see the dispersal of weeds from or through water. Some weed seeds have a special structure to float on water surface, so it runs off from the field, carry out the weed seeds during the rainy season. After the irrigation and the drainage channel, they are important to spread out the weeds, and that streams or the flow of water carry out the weed seeds at the longer distance. So in that, some plant seeds are travel and they grow. So for example, laula, motha, gajar gavat, or some animal and the birds are helpful in the dispersal of weeds. So many weed seeds are eaten by animal, birds, and they can be strayed from one place to another place through their excreta. So many weed seeds do not lose their availability when they after passing through the digestive tract and the birds and animal. So the seed coat is easily breakable for the germination, and these seeds are easily grown in anywhere. So the weed seeds having the spiny on and hook or sticky hair, and that can be easily attached to the animal body, and they get spread from one place to another place by their body. Example, the gokru, hooks, lantha, agada, and kushal. These are the jungle plant and found in everywhere, so that it can be easily spread out through their animal. Man himself can be responsible for spreading or dispersing the weed seeds, everywhere. So sometimes the farmer use partially decomposed FIM or farmyard manure or compost or silage containing the weed seeds, and feeding cattle with the fodder having the seed weed plants. The movement of uncleaned farm machineries or impart or food grains, the vegetable seedlings are contaminated with the seed of weeds, which can be easily spread by the man-made activity. Next may be the farm machinery. Sometimes the farm machinery carry out the weed seed from field to field area or person to person, so this can be easily spread by the farm machineries too. Next maybe by the crop seed. So many times the weed seeds are harvested from the crop where they are harvested or cutting down, and same time they are mixed with the crop plant which are essential for us. If these seeds from such source is used for sowing for the coming on a next year, and they are easily get spread. Next one may be the other, which can be the weeds can be easily spread out through the transport of vehicles, sometimes manure, compost pits. So weeds are the plants that are unwanted to given situation for affecting the harmful effects, and which can be dangerous or economically dangerous, and that weeds are serious threat to the primary production of the biodiversity too. So they can be reduce the farm or the forest productivity, and the native species of weeds plant are affecting every year, and they are contributing significantly on land or the water degradation. So the weeds are the natural environmental problem which can be affect our croplands. So weeds are the affecting or impacting on the agricultural production, and it is estimated that the general weeds cause the 5% loss every year on the agricultural production in India as well as in developed countries. So in India, yield losses due to the weeds are more than those that the pest and the diseases. So yield loss due to the weed are vary in the crops. Every crops are exposed to sever the competition of the weed growth, and the most of these weeds are self sown, and they provide the competition between our crops by their faster growth. And the initial state the crop which are grown in farm area that can be not easily compete with each other, and in some crop the yield are reduced by the more than 5% by the weed infestation, and the large loss can be affected to the farmers. So major staple crops like rice, wheat, maize, soybean, gram, pea, these crops are affecting more adversely, as well as the sugarcane, beetroot, carrot, onion, cotton, potato are lessly affected. So that should be the managed very properly by increasing the cost of the cultivation. So when the land is infested by the weeds, so the cost of tillage increases. It is repeated by the tillage operations, and the more labor is also required for the removing weed or weeding. The final result in the increasing the overall cost of the cultivation and the reducing the margin of the net profit in our crop area. After tillage operation, it is done by control weed, and it generally by 30% of the total expenditure of the crop production it is incurred by the tillage operation. In incidence of the pest and disease, the weeds act as an alternate host of or to the pest or pathogen during the off season when the rainy or monsoon season is absent, which infects the crop later at the end. It causes the major damage to the required crop, like the wheat is affected by the black rust or quack grass. The tomato, the plant is affected by the wilting, and weed is affecting like a amaranthus species. Weed is affecting the quality of produce is reduced when the weed seeds get mixed with the main crop seeds and the crop is harvested. It reduces the quality of crops. The next maybe the quality of the livestock produce is reduced when the certain weeds, example the wild onion or wild garlic, parthinum, and Pivudi tilvan, when it is eaten by some cattle, cow, buffaloes, it is impart or undesirable flavor and bitter to taste to milk. And these weeds, like the gokru net, attached to the body of a sheep or goats, it affects the quality of wool also. The next effect or the problem faced by on human health, sometimes the seed of weeds cause the health problem or the allergic reaction by some plant like a parthenium. It causes the irritation of the skin and allergic effect in nose. The mixture of a mexicana in a mustard seeds cause the dropsy sterling needle and causes a severe itching or the inflammation of the skin. It affect and it gives the fever and asthmatic allergies, and it is caused by the Franceria species. Next is the problem faced on animal health also. The weeds are also poisonous to animal when they are ingested or eaten by any animal, like the Lantana camara. It induces the hypersensitivity of Johnson grass at the tillering stage. When it is eaten by some animal, it is poisonous. The sweet clover acts as an anti-blood coagulant. The kala dhotra maybe causes the death of cattle. It is very much dangerous to the animal. And the weeds which are thorny or spiny, it may be cause the injury to the animal while the grazing or eating the grass. The next problem, it is a water contamination. Some weeds block the drainage or the check of the flow of water while the irrigation of the channel or the field channel. It increases the seepage losses as well as the losses through the overflooding. Some aquatic weeds renders the water unfit for the drinking also. So, and after the decomposition, it emits offensive odor or it pollutes the atmosphere or the aquatic region, where the aquatic weeds creates a difficulty for fishing or the navigation area. Next may be weeds which secretion are harmful when the heavy growth of the certain weeds like the nutgrass, Johnson grass, Vasantavel, Amaranthus, which lowers the germination and reduces the growth and yield of many crop plants. And this is due to the certain allopathic compound or phytotoxic which are released by the weeds in the soil. Let's talk about the weed which causes the quicker wear and tear of a farm implements. When the weeds are hardy and it having the deep root system, the tillage implements get worn out or that can be effect while the tillage implementation. It cannot work efficiently unless when they are properly sharpened or repaired. Next, maybe the weeds, which reduces the value of land. The agricultural lands which are heavily infested by the perennial weeds like the cons, which are always fetch less price and becomes such lands cannot be brought under the cultivation without incurring. It takes the heavy expenditure on labor charge as well as the machinery which are worked in the farm area. So that can be affecting much on value of money which should be spent while tillage. Let's see the benefits of weeds or the beneficial effects of weeds. First, talking about the it adding the nutrients to the soil. Some species of the weeds having a vigorous and leafy growth which are used for the green manuring as well. Some wide leguminous weeds which fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and the aquatic weeds which are used for making compost. It adds a considerable amount of the organic matter and the plant nutrient for the soil for good growth of required or desired plants. The fodder value of weeds. When some weeds of grassland used for the fodder for eating animal, these weeds have a succulent leafy growth and which is good for the milch animal. The weeds are hariali, chimanchara and shivri. These are the good weeds used for the fodder. Just talking about the vegetable value of weeds. Some weeds like mat, kanzru, tandulza, amaranthus, pathri, gold. These plants are used as a green leafy vegetable for many places. Next may be the weeds for the medicinal value. Some weeds are used for the preparation of certain drugs or medicines like gumma, which is used while the snake bite, maca, which is used for the cough disorder or hair oil, argemon species, which is also used as a oil against the skin diseases, the rui plant, which is a good medicine for gastric troubles, striga and orobanche, which is used for the treatment of the diabetes patients, brahmi, which is used for preparation of the brain tonic or ayurvedic oils. Next, the weeds which have religious values. Some weeds like the hariali, agada, maka, laula, which are used in the religious ceremonies too. Next is the economic importance of the weeds. The weeds like the cons are used for the thatching of huts. Laula is used for making essence of sticks or udbatti, and the lemongrass, it is for aromatic oil. Some weeds processed from the various types of the farm burns, which is essential especially for the soil and the water conservations. The weeds which are used for the soil erosion or reducing erosion. The weeds growing on the desert land or the wasteland or the slopy lands area where they face the heavy rainfall, the slopy field or the lower wind and the water erosion can be reduced by helping the protection of environment, and these weeds are actually grown that particular area. The weeds which are used as a reclamation of the alkali soil. The application of the powder Piula Dhotra around 2.5 tons per hectare is useful for the reclamation of alkali soil that are increase the crop yield. Next is the source of the resistance from the pest and the diseases. Some weed species have been constant source of a new genes for the resistance to the pest or the insects which are affecting and causing the various hazardous diseases. Like the wild grass has a comfort cold tolerance to the bread wheat, resistance of a potato nematode. Some weeds which are helpful or useful for the controlling nematodes which are mixed in soil like the rui or parthenum species. Next is the weed. It is used for the preparation of the paper pulp, biogas and manufacture of the edible proteins. Lastly, the weeds which serves as the ornamental and the hedge plant. The weeds are also giving the ornamental effects like the ghaneri ghor, cactus, jalakumbi which produce the beautiful attractive flowers and which are used as an ornamental plant or the hedge plant. In that the cactus which grown at the hedge region